Hello friends, welcome to this video. So here we learn about this topic called least common multiple or LCM. Okay. So in the last video where we discussed about multiples, factors and HCF. So what are multiples? We have already learned about multiples. So multiple means a number which can be divided by another number. Okay, I mean if a number is divided by another number, then that first number is the multiple of the second number. Okay, for example, let us take the number 15. 15 is divisible by 3 because it gives us a result of 5. So 15 is a multiple of 3. Okay, similarly 15 is also a multiple of 5. Okay, so but here when we are talking about the least common multiple, so for least common multiple we have to consider at least two or three different numbers. Okay, so we can calculate the least common multiple for two or more than two numbers. Okay, two, three, four, even for more numbers. Suppose let us consider this example itself, the numbers 3 and 5. So what are the multiples of 3? The multiples of 3 are 3 itself, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, etc. Okay. And what are the multiples of 5? So those are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, etc. Now check for 3 and 5 which is the common multiple. Common multiple of these are like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, let us check 15. 15 is a multiple of 3 and also 15 is a multiple of 5. Okay, so then if you so 15 is the lowest multiple. Okay, the least multiple of both 3 and 5. Okay, so 21, so multiples of 24, 7, 30. So 30 is another multiple of 3 and 30 is also a multiple of 5. Okay, but we will not go to 30. Let us stop on 15. 15 is a multiple which is common to both 3 and 5. Therefore in this case 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5. Okay, so again, how we can calculate the multiple of both the numbers? Simply multiply 3 and 5 is equal to 15. So 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5. Okay, if you are given two numbers, this way also you can calculate the multiple. So let us check the numbers 10 and 12. What is the LCM of both? Okay, so the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, and so on. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, etc. Okay, so see which multiple is common to both 10 and 12. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. So 60 is common to both 10 and 12. Okay, therefore 60 is the LCM of both the numbers. Okay, 60 is the LCM of 10 and 12. So another way of calculating this is by division method. So both numbers are divisible by 2. So 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12. Any common factor of both 5 and 6? No. So 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60. Okay, so 60 is the LCM of both 10 and 12. Similarly, let me take some bigger number, maybe 100 and 125. Let us calculate the LCM of both the numbers. Okay, we can do this by division method. So both numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, so 5 is here, 20 here, it is 25, Then again, both numbers are divisible by 5. So 5, 4, 20. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So what is the LCM? 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. 100 multiplied by 5 is equal to 500. Okay. So 500 is the LCM of both the numbers 100 and 125. Okay. So this way also you can calculate the LCM. And another example, maybe let us take three numbers now. Okay, let me take some smaller numbers: 12, 15, 18. So what's the LCM of all these three numbers? So see, of all these numbers, 12 and 18 are divisible by 2. So 2. So 2, 6, 12, okay. 15, we keep it as it is. So 18, it's 9, okay. We can do like this. So now 6, 15, and 9 out of all numbers are divisible by 3. So 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 3. Okay. So what will be the LCM? Multiply all numbers: 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. Okay. So you get 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. 12 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. 60 multiplied by 3 is equal to 180. Okay, so 180 is the LCM of the numbers 12, 15, and 18. Okay, 180 is the least common multiple of the given numbers 12, 15, and 18. So friends, this way you can calculate the LCM or least common multiple of given numbers. Okay, there may be two numbers, there may be three numbers, there may be more numbers. So yeah, so this is one of the ways. And I hope you have understood what is an LCM and how you can calculate the LCM of some numbers, some given numbers. So I hope you have understood and you have also liked this video. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in a similar video next time. So thank you very much.